Froggy jumps all day. Ribbit, ribbit. Froggy wakes up, ready to play. He stretches his arms. Hooray, it's day. Ribbit, ribbit. He jumps in the mud. He jumps in the air. He jumps on a log, then sits on a rock. Boing, ribbit. He finds a bug, it buzzes near. Hello, says Froggy, with a giggly cheer. Ribbit, ribbit, buzz, buzz. He splashes in puddles. He hops with glee. He waves at the duck, then counts to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now Froggy's tired. The sky turns gray. He yawns real big. What a busy day. Yawn. Ribbit. He snuggles in bed, his blanket tight. Good night, says Froggy. Sleep well tonight. Thanks for hopping along today with Froggy in his silly way. Don't forget to like and subscribe.